Hello, I thought I'd try do something a bit different, a little bit of an experiment. You know, you normally get Era 1 locomotive, like I've got the line here pulling these two first class carriages and this third class carriage. Well, I thought, like I said, I thought I'd do something a bit different. Welcome to JJ's test track. Well, as because now I've got this converter wagon I got from Sam's Trains about a week ago from this video. You can see it's got at the front, it's got this normal NEM pocket type coupling, but on the back it has got an Era 1 type coupling, which means this is what I thought I'd do. This may look a bit funny, but it's just a bit of fun. Now I've got this Duchess of Montrose. There she is now. And as you can see, I put the little converter wagon on the back so it can look a little bit funny. So what I'm going to do now, I've got the Era 1 wagon, and what I'm going to do, I've got some Era 1 rolling stock which I'm going to connect it up to. Right, we've got an Era 4 locomotive with Duchess of Montrose pulling Era 1 rolling stock. And what does that look like? You've never seen that before, I bet. That looks a bit strange. A big 462 locomotive pulling tiny little carriages. That's called the Traveller, and that's called Experience. Well, let's try a different Loco now. We've got an LMS 4F Loco. Now we're going to try a different Loco. We're going to try the SECR Rainwright H class. Midland Model Railway. The Triple MR for short. Now I brought it upstairs to my MMMR because it kept on shorting out on my JJ's test track. So there you go, one quick lap on my MMR, now back downstairs again. Welcome to JJ's test track. And let's try something really up to date. My most modern Loco I've got is a GBRF Class 66. This is the Captain Tom Moore number 66731. So this is like the most modern locomotive you can get, that I've got anyway. with era 1 rolling stock. But this really is the old with the, like brand new kind of thing. Has anybody ever seen this? A class 66 pulling and pushing era 1 rolling stock. Well, I think you kind of get the idea. Just a bit of fun really. Old with the new kind of thing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.